Nice first gen Chevrolet Camaro to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe Z28 tribute car, 350 built V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, vintage AC, beautiful engine compartment. We'll get around to that here towards the end of the video. Let you hear it run, take a look underneath the hood, but first let's check out the chrome on the front bumper. Grill repainted to hugger orange, black stripes, cowl hood. Great look. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on 15-inch American Racing chrome daisy wheels. BF Goodrich radials, only a few years old. Not a lot of miles on those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches down the passenger side. I noticed one little spot on the hood, kind of up here in the front. I don't even know if I can get it to show up, but there's kind of some pimples in it. Again, nothing real major, being pretty fussy about that. It's one of those cars that's going to turn some heads, no doubt about that. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself? Not a problem. Maybe due to distance or time, it's a little tough for you. Open door policy for those guys. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console, horseshoe shifter. A few aftermarket gauges, and we're going to get around to those when we get to the driver's side. Check it out a little closer. How about that look with the black vinyl top? Vinyl in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looks great. Again, the deck stripes carrying through the trunk lid. Rear end on this is a 12-bolt rear end, 410 gears. There's an overdrive lockup for that 700 R4 automatic transmission too. It's to the left of the steering column on the dash. There is a manila envelope, a bunch of notes on it, all kinds of receipts and info on this car that will also go along with it. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. What I've been trying to mention to people too that are watching these videos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're into muscle cars like this, maybe late model sports cars, maybe classics, street rods, you never know what you may see come across our video channel. These are all the videos that are of cars that are available to purchase now or have been in the past. So check it out if you like cars. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So black vinyl. Once again, door panels look good. Carpeting's in nice shape. You'll be able to see the still pictures underneath the floor mats. And there'll be the carpeting pics there. As you can see, vinyl's free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact, front and rear. How about that headliner? Looks good. I have had the wipers working in the car. The radio works. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Had it running a little bit ago to let it warm up. Like I said, built 350, so it takes a little bit to warm it up, but not bad at all. Little aftermarket tack on the steering column, as you can see. Fuel gauge to the right. Speedometer, odometer over here. Down to those gauges, voltmeter working. Booster vacuum, you can see oil pressure and temperature gauge. So those all appear to be working. Again, I did have the radio working. Dash looking good, as well as the passenger seat and vinyl on that. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. That door closes beautifully, I noticed earlier too. There it is. Man, we've had some good sounding cars through here lately. Another reason to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Listen to them. All right, and remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's check out that engine bay. There's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the car. Remember, in the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside of this. Check that out. Underside of this car, beautiful. Here it is. So, Edelbrock intake manifold. We have Edelbrock E-Street aluminum heads. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, HEI ignition back there. Headers look like they're coated. Aluminum radiator, looks like it's extremely new. Some chrome braces up front. What a good looking engine bay. Again, this car at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You won't be ashamed to have the hood open, that's for sure. '69 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe Z28 Tribute. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in black and orange. Black interior, orange paint with black stripes, looking really good. This has a tachometer mounted right to the column. Automatic on the center console. Very nice acceleration in this Camaro. Nice tight steering. You notice right away, it just feels like a tight car, the way it should be. Under the dash on the center console, we've got voltmeter reading 14. Oil meter reading about 70 pounds of pressure. Water is 180 degrees. And there's a boost gauge that you can have fun with the throttle. Such a great sound of this Camaro. The idle is awesome. Off idle is awesome. Going on the highway just sounds good. Factory speedometer looks good. Factory fuel gauge, quarter of a tank. Stays nice and straight. Doesn't go on the wheel. As I was saying, tight steering. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats. Very comfortable. Dash looks to be in good shape. Brakes working well. There is an aftermarket radio in the dash. I have not tested the cassette player, but the FM works.
$369 a year.
Super fun. You just want to hit the throttle to hear that exhaust. This car is a fun driver. You definitely want to take a look at the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.